Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're your English teachers and friends, helping you speak English with confidence.
Today, we'll show you how to talk about yourself in English. This is one of the most important skills for beginners.
Exactly. Whether you're meeting a new friend, talking to a teacher, or joining a job interview, introductions matter.
You'll learn how to say your name, where you're from, your age, what you do, and more.
So stay with us till the end and practice out loud with us.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to keep improving your English every week.
Okay, Emily, let's start simple. How do you introduce yourself in English?
The most basic way is, "Hi, my name is Emily." You can also say, "I'm Emily."
Right. Both are correct. Hi, my name is Paul. Or, I'm Paul.
Let's slow down for our learners. Repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Emily.
I'm Paul. Great job. Now, what comes next? Usually, people talk about where they're from.
Exactly. You can say, I'm from England, or I come from England.
Both are natural, but for beginners, I'm from is easier.
Let's practice together. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. I'm from Pakistan.
Perfect. Now, Emily, what if someone asks, where are you from?
You can answer, I'm from Canada, or just say, I'm from plus your country.
And if you want to sound friendly, you can add, what about you?
That's a great tip. So, I'm from Mexico. What about you?
Good one. Now, let's talk about age. Beginners often ask, how can I say my age in English?
It's simple. Say, I'm 20 years old.
Or just, I'm 20. That's also fine.
Right, but don't forget, you cannot say, I have 20 years. That's a common mistake.
Exactly. In English, we say I am, not I have.
Let's practice. I'm 18. I'm 25. I'm 30 years old.
Well done. Now, after your age, you can talk about your job or what you do.
Yes, you can say, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher.
Or I work in a hospital. Or I work at a bank.
If you don't work, that's fine too. You can say, I'm looking for a job.
Exactly. Let's do some examples. I'm a doctor. I'm a driver. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a shopkeeper.
Very good. Now, after your name, country, and job, you can add your hobbies or interests.
Yes, that makes introductions more interesting.
For example, I like reading books, or I love watching movies.
Or I enjoy playing football.
Remember, we usually say, I like plus verb ending. For example, I like cooking, not I like cook.
Exactly. Let's practice a few together. I like playing cricket. I like listening to music. I like traveling.
Excellent. Now, let's put everything together in a short introduction.
Okay, I'll go first. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from England. I'm 30 years old. I'm an English teacher. I like reading and playing guitar.
That's a great example. Here's mine. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from the United States. I'm 28 years old. I'm a teacher. I like cooking and watching movies.
Very nice. Simple, clear, and friendly.
Now, learners, it's your turn.
Let's practice together. I'll ask you questions. Try to answer out loud.
What's your name?
Great. Now, where are you from?
Good job. How old are you?
Perfect. What do you do?
Nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
Wonderful. You're doing really well.
Remember, practice makes progress.
That's right. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every time you practice, your English gets better.
And when you talk to someone new, you can use these sentences with confidence.
Let's review everything quickly.
Step 1. Say your name. Hi, my name is Emily.
Step 2. Say where you're from. I'm from England.
Step 3. Say your age. I'm 25.
Step 4. Say what you do. I'm a student, or I'm a teacher.
Step 5. Share your hobbies. I like reading, or I love music.
When you put them all together, you have a perfect self-introduction.
Like this. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from the United States. I'm 28. I'm a teacher, and I like cooking.
That's smooth and natural.
So today you learned how to introduce yourself in English.
You practiced talking about your name, country, age, job, and hobbies.
Now, your task is to write your own short introduction in the comments below.
Yes, write it and we'll check it for you.
And if you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next episode of Easy English Conversations.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.